I see the skyline with a neon glow. Dreams on the rise where the rivers flow. Chasing the stars with a fearless stride. My funded futures take me worldwide. My funded futures light the way, breaking through night into brighter days. My funded TV shows the scene, living my life like a vivid dream. The clock keeps ticking, but I won't slow down. Building my empire in this buzzing town. Casting my vision on the silver screen. My funded life, a vivid sheen. My funded futures light the way.
Hey, good evening, everybody. I'm Stephen Kalayjian, and welcome, everybody. Welcome, everybody. Okay, all right. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. All right. Well, look at Intel. Kaboomed, and then got kabooshed, right? All right. We got the NASDAQ up 47. I think they're a buy here. If they can get down anywhere between the 22 and 62 range on the NASDAQ, you got the 15s. Crazy market, man. We had some really great big runs up moves here today, and I think it was a great day also on the MyFundedFutures television, right? The kabooshed and got kabooshed. No. The good, what's going on? Up or down futures? I think they go up. The thing that's disturbing here is that the 10-year bond potentially could be headed to 5%. And if that happens, oh boy. What's up, just trading? What's going on? Invisible, how are you? Mr. Freeze is in the house. J-Dubs, Mr. Thomas, how are you? All right. JL, Baba Trading. Whoa, there they go. Baba Trading. All right. So we're off and running here at Belmont here. Let's just see what's going to happen here. Oh, it's this trade station, so antiquated. All right. Oh man, what is going on here with this? Okay, finally, Jesus. All right, let's just see. Did it trade 62? Yep, right to the penny. All right. Hey everybody, Theo, how are you? XD3VL, what's going on? All right, Dave Bryce, I had a good one. Yeah, there you go, up 30 here, up 30. Yes, sir. Positive MACDs on the 15, positive MACDs on the 30. All right. Let's try to get 400 likes. Hey, Spectre Trading. Willie, where have you guys been? Gray Hordes, how are you? Rav Boys, Keith Matthews, Lauren, G. Peralta. I had a beautiful short on the 30-minute time frame. I said, Lauren, did you get a short? He says, hell no. I said, okay. Right? All right. M Systems, Bear Trader in the house. Pipster, what's going on? There you go, Spectre Trading. Thank you, brother. Willie. B-Tree, what's going on? Everybody's tuning in. I love I'm one day I'm going to meet everybody. That's my goal. Dirtbag, what's going on? It's time, buddy. Oh, it's me, buddy. Sorry. Ethan, how you doing? Mosdy, Arrow, Planet, Uranus, Brave Day in the house. Sai. All right. Hell of a... And they're off at Belmont. All right, here we go. Oh, and they're going up. What's okay? All right. D Hall in the house. Marzina, Craig Gonzalez, Just Bob, what's going on? Ravlin, David T, Schultze, what's going on, everybody? Cheesy Pepperoni, Nomadic Lion. Steven, what's going on? Steven, I don't know what the hell you sent me. John Richardson, Edward West. Okay, you're new, Edward West. And anybody new who's here, please text me your full name and email if you would like the Gary. If you would like a 5-day free trial, please text me your full name and email. We won the war. We won the war. Yep, we won the war. Papa Trump, we won the war. Hi, my friend. From Brazil, Hammer Trader. Brazil, what part of Brazil? I'm going to Brazil, I think, soon. In the next month, I'll be in Brazil. Potentially Colombia, and then after that, Brazil. Let's see. I'm grateful to make the MyFundedFutures leaderboard. It's taken years of learning, a lot of mistakes, and staying with, still focused on protecting capital. Listen, Explosion, if you learn from me, you'll be in the top. Let's go. Get over here. Get in there. Look at this. 62. They just ran 50 handles. Okay. Beautiful long on the double blue on the 5-minute on the NASDAQ. Did you get that long or no?
No, I didn't.
No? Okay. All right. Brazil. Oh, my God. Beautiful country. I'm going to be there soon. I had Henny here today. He was my boy, Henny. He loved hanging out with his daddy. Yes, he was. Beautiful. What's up, fam? P. Long, son of Wall Street. Where have you been? Eli. El Skew. What's going on? Miss K is in the house. Bodine. Yes. Bodine. All right. Let's see if we can get this push up here. Look to maybe potentially get a short going here. Okay. All right. Wow, they just dropped 30 points. Yeah, Henny needs 3 surgeries: left knee, right knee, and hip. All next year. I don't know. Maybe hopefully put him in the bathroom. No, really, Pure Mock? Really? Oh man, Bobby, put him in the bathroom. But Sonny, there's no more room. All right. Oh, it's pretty funny. All right. Really? You use that every day? Stole your line. Put it. It's not my line. You know, I was with Chaz Parmentieri about 9 months ago. I was up in New York. I was at a car wash in Bedford, New York, and he lives in Bedford. All of a sudden, I see him in the waiting room area, and I said, Chaz, he goes, hey, how are you? Look at the NASDAQ drop 50. Oh, my God, Steven. And I said, nice to meet you. He goes, hey, buddy, how you doing? I said, I'm from the Bronx. He goes, yeah, really? He gets up. He shakes my hand. We go outside. It was a little chilly, and we're talking. And I said, I got to tell you, that movie is a classic. I said, growing up in the Bronx, and this is the way we talked, and this is the way he said, he's put his arm around me, and we're laughing, and we're joking. I said, I got to ask you a question. I said, some of these lines were just classic, but this scene about putting the guys in the bathroom and, no, get a towel. I don't want this kid looking at that face and this and that. He said, can I tell you something? It just came to me. I just, I wanted it to be real because this is how we really played craps. And, if a guy's got a line, we put him in another room or we put him in the bathroom or something like that. And I said, this is probably one of the, outside of, and I'm not a movie buff, but outside of when Clemenza tells the guy, drop the gun, grab the cannolis, put him in the bathroom. Wow, down 50. Jesus, come on. I was looking to short him at 32 and the high was 24 here. Oh, my God. All right, if they drop down to the 25 to 65, I'd probably look to take a long here. You got to buy disconnect. And SK, when you left prop firm match, it just dropped. You called it. You just got you first payout cause of that call out. Yeah, I said that we're going to get caboose. Oh, my God, down 60. Man, oh, man, I wanted to short him at 32. So Chaz and I had a really great talk, and it was just really so All right. Let's just see here. Wow, it's 124, Mike. 124 degrees in Vegas right now. What, are you crazy or something? Are you crazy? Wow, NASDAQ just dropped 80. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Well, I just want to say great job on. I called that short because I thought the 30-minute time frames were going to get cabooshed here. Man, I wanted to short them up there. Damn it. All right, look to scale out of any longs up here. If they get up to the 50 to 70, 75, 50 to 70 range here. Yeah, there you go. Runneth, how are you? Brandon, unbelievable. It was a fun show this morning. I tell you, I thought it was really great time. Damn, I missed that short right now. Oh my God. All right. NASDAQ, S&Ps. Let's see here. Now S&Ps just got cabooshed here. All right. You can scale out these longs here, 50 up to 65, 70 here. SK, when you left the prop firm message, yeah, that was a 60-minute. There they go. Go, baby. Go, 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 go. Out, 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 out. Woo. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Kaboom. I never joined this time. Why not, Amashi? Woo. I called out Kabooshin this morning, all right? You got your first payout. I'd be out, 70. Out on the long. Out. I would be out. Hello. Gameplay fully Italy. I hope you got your payout last night. Right? Thank you to my fund. What happened? Where have you been? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, they're getting kabooshed here again. Boom. That's why I said out, 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 right? When I say out, out, out like that, you know what I mean, right?
Yeah, I went
Okay.
flat.
All right, good. D-Mac, how are you? Tydrin. All right. All right, let's see if the NASDAQ can get down to the 585 to 625 range. Alexa, how are you? Miss Trend Surfer. Wow, that's a great name. Are you from California? DJ Danny Girl, Linda NQ in the house. In the house. Zeph side. There you go. Zeph side. Where they get down to 29 pucks. All right. Jude, what's going on? Hey, JEUD62, how are you? Yeah, so far, man, I had a monster day today. Monster, MONSTA, monster day. Monster day, monster day, monster day. All right? Okay. You know what? I just got to say, let's go, everybody. All right. Oh, boy. What's up, Falco? What's going on, brother? Brother Falco? Did it hit 25? 28. Oh, you got to be kidding me. All right, if this NASDAQ gets down to the 95 to 30, I'd buy him. All right, you got a good, geez, I can't believe it. I would go like 590 to 630 if it gets down there. Gold's barely moving. Oh, how about gold last night? 41.44 off the 30-minute time frame. I'm like, are you crazy? Who's buying them up there like that, right? Who's buying them?
Are you crazy? I just plain stupid.
So if you look at the gold last night, you were pushing up into negative MACDs on the 30 and 60-minute time frames. Forget it. Where's the bear? But these are only scalp longs, by the way. Oh, yeah. It's just scalp the long here. Look to exit 30 to 45, 40, 45, 48. Whew. This, it doesn't matter. Like the streams, right? Okay. Oh, I had a good day. Very good day. Listen, I love volatility. That's what every trader wants, right? China buying tons of gold. Listen, this gold's got to break 4,000. You know, that's what I'm hoping for. You think China's buying tons of gold? I don't know. We'll see. We shall see. We shall see. All right. Again, look to scale out 30 to 40 if you're bought them, somewhere like that. I can't believe I just got 124 degrees in Las Vegas. What, are you crazy? Oh, my God. 124 degrees. Wow, that's a killer. All right, how we doing tonight? A lot of new people here. Marcosum, how are you? Derek, Zephside, OX Mickey, OXM Mickey. What are we doing on Maz? On Maz? You mean on NASDAQ? Well, I tried to get the shorts down 100 right here in literally 15 minutes. Again, pushing up into these negative MACDs. So now the 5's going negative. You want to get a push up and look to go short. Gold's finished. Gold's in a complete negative trend. Any rallies I would look to short. Any rallies I would look to short. Look long for gold. Now, you could take a scalp long on gold, like 38.5 to 45.5. There goes the NASDAQ. There you go. There you go. I'd be exiting longs. There you go. Albano, get in there. There you go. Jennifer, DL, S&Ps just ran 3. Diego, get in there. Oh, we got some new T-shirts coming out, man. I think we're going to be doing some nice T-shirts here. All right. These are the T-shirts here, right? You got the, I don't know if I showed this to you last time, but you got the, obviously the American flag here, and we're going to hopefully get these printed here. You see the caboose here, right, with the bear, and then you got the SK Trading and the MyFundedFutures right here as well. And then on the back, we're going to have just the way to execute some orders and things like that. But again, with the MyFundedFutures, the MyFundedFutures logo on the bottom right there. So yeah, old school. That's what I love. Love those. And I got them. Let me see what else I got. I got that. I got them. If you have a caboose, you got to have a what? A kaboom, right? You got to have a kaboom in green. Again, the American flag. Nothing I wear is without the American flag, as you all can see. And this is the kaboom, right, with the SK Trading logo and the MyFundedFutures and the bull. And then you got the one with the ladder on the back. By the world, right? And then you got the MyFundedFutures logo right here as well. All right. looking forward to getting them made. And then I got another one coming out. It's over, or get in there. That's pretty good. Christopher helped me. I think Diego did that one for me. And I don't know. It's just every shirt will always have an American flag on it. This is the greatest country in the world. I'm proud to be here. I came from absolutely nothing, and this is a country that gave me the opportunity, along with my hard work and all the skills that the good Lord gave me, to be to be in this. And this is a game. Nobody handed me anything, and you know what? It just gave me the opportunity to, if you work hard and you put your mind to it, this is the greatest country where you can achieve all your dreams, really. I had absolutely nothing in my life, nothing. And so I have no regrets. The things I fought for throughout my life, maybe to what I am. I buy this NASDAQ here again, anywhere between the 580 and 620. So again, work hard. You work hard. One of the things about being a great trader here, gold, you can sell longs 45 to 48. One of the things about being a great trader is the mindset, the work ethic, right? I'm up at 4 o'clock every morning. I don't look at the markets. Sometimes I'll even come in here by myself to get a feel, and bring a cup of coffee along the way. And all right, I got a journey ticket for October. Journey tickets for October, and yeah, I love Journey, but I'm not a fan of NASDAQ up 20. You got the long?
No.
What? Got down to 15.
I know, it's already moving.
You got to be fast. Let's go. There goes the gold, Iceman. Well, I just say that I'm doing okay, Jesus. I'm doing well. Very blessed, very humble. Just love being here. And oh my God, Gary. Hey, Juice Bag, what's going on? Pipster, AD, what's going on? Ryan Wiggins, Deuce Leverage, what's going on? Oh, you should have seen Henny today. Oh my God. Henny was sound asleep. I brought him. Next thing I know, he growled. And I'm telling you, when I held him, I don't know what the hell was outside that door. He wanted to eat him, right? Tony Gold. There you go, baby. Get in there, SK. There you go, Tony Gold. Finally, Tony Gold. Tony Gold. So on a good note today, a good friend of mine I met many years ago. Wonderful, wonderful person. Waited, I think, 11 months for a kidney transplant. And her son texted me. I prayed for her left and right, hand over fist. And look at him go. Oh, my God. Where's the bull? Do I have to press the bull? No, 100 points more on the bull. I can't do 40. And I, Rick Plant, what's going on? And I, to Jolene, she made it through the surgery, successful kidney transplant, and now she's on her way to a healthy recovery. Her son texted me. So this goes out to Jolene. Great, great, great friend, great person. And I'm so happy that the surgery and everything that she went through and all the 9 to 10 months leading up to it, and that she's doing well. All right. So that was a nice cabooshin just now, 59 to, there you go. If they get down to the 20 handle again, I would go 580 to 620 here. You have a certain number of profits you try to hit every day. I have goals. Okay. I have goals. I have goals. Jolyne, Jolene. Yep. She's a great friend. I'm happy to say everything went well. Thank God. All right. What else? What else? All right. Yep. Oh, a good friend of mine and my community just texted me, got another payout today. And this is a guy that literally, I remember the day it was yesterday. I was going to eat Italian food and he was talking about quitting trading. I said, just give me the chance to teach you. Hang in there. Let me work with you. And now his whole life has been changed. And it brings so much joy to me when people believe in me and then I help them and they're able to succeed. There's no greater, outside of my children, my dogs, and things of that nature. There's no greater joy in my life than to see people succeed, right? Not 1 ounce of jealousy ever in my body. I just want people to really hit the ball out of the park. Geez, I missed that by 2. You got to be kidding me. And that's what it's all about, right? And that's what it's about. I'm sitting having dinner. The CEO of Webull calls me. One of my friends calls me from a monster hedge fund. So, doing this now, August 1st will be 44 years. If the good Lord keeps me around, I'm doing this till I'm 70 because I want to tell my children that their father lasted in an industry that is barbaric for 50 years. That's what I really hope I hope the good Lord keeps me around for 6 more years. I'll be 70. And I want to tell my kids, your father lasted 50 years in a barbaric industry. It's unbelievable. All right, there they go, right back up. Hey, missed it by 2. Look at that, Jesus. All right, if they push up to 60, I don't know if I want to do that. I think they're going to go here. I don't know. Let me look for pullbacks here. I got another 30 years. Are you crazy?
Are you crazy? Or just plain stupid?
Yeah. I'll be there 50. Oh my God. That'll be six more years. I'll be 70 years old. I don't even feel like I'm 35, really. I really mean it. I think loving something as much as I do trading, every single day is a different day. Every single day I wake up, I can't wait to get here. Every single day, the ability to challenge yourself. Did I tell you a story yesterday? I went to the cardiologist and I have to go for a stress test every 2 years. Last one was fine. And he says to me, so remind me, what do you do for a living? And I said, I trade. And he says to me, what do you trade? I said, Mike, Ron, Sanders, AMD, S&Ps. He said, what? He said, you should have probably had 2 heart attacks by now. I said, oh, thanks a lot. I really appreciate that. So I said, but let me tell you something. Those stocks don't give me chest pains. It's when I go out and I leave this office and I got to deal with psychotic people in this world. And I said, he says, I see your point. Okay. All right. Yep. Oh my God. Kaboom. 22 to 5th. Oh my God. Now you could take the short up here. 85, 80, 85. You can scalp it up to 15. Look at the gold, Iceman. Where's Iceman? Gold just where's the bull? I gotta get a better bull. I gotta get a better bull. I don't know. Did it hit 85? Oh my God, 84.25. Baba, get in there. Artan, I gotta call you later. I got some good news. All right. Yes, sir. All right. Do you have any advice on trading options? Trading options, because I've always been a swing trader and futures day trader, but I really want to trade options. Any advice? Yeah, don't. I don't know. I think you trade options if they're pattern trades. I think you could do swing trading on the bigger time frames. I think day trading futures is great. And I think that you can day trade options only. Day trade options if you're taking positions. Now, the firms I work for, they do monster positions. Like they'll do like 1,000 spreads, 500 spreads. They ask me like, give me the range. What do you think? What are you leaning first? What are you leaning, bullish or bearish? I'll tell them, and these are all into the earnings. And they'll say, okay, we want to go, these are these are names like Intel. I gave them Intel. I said I'd be a buyer between 90. What I say 90, 89 and 97. And the spread. Oh my God, look at that! What a drop. And look to short them. 09 to 15. So they do big option strategies on a lot of spreads. That was a great short on the gold at 50. If gold gets up to 50 again, it's a short. 50 up to 57. I would scale in. And but I think most people don't know how to trade options. Obviously, let's just call it the way it is. People think, oh yeah, it's a $2 option. The next thing you know, they're losing $200 or $400 on 2 contracts because they don't understand premium. I had a guy one day call me. Steve, any reason why yesterday's recap dropped this morning? Yeah, because Sean didn't get home till midnight last night. You're talking about my podcast? Yeah. Are you looking at NASDAQ? Yeah. Yes. All right, NASDAQ. I canceled the short, got up to 84 and then dropped. Luke, what's going on, Luke? I think options need to be traded based upon a pattern or a strangle or a straddle. If you think, for example, let's say Tesla drops down to 300, 305, and you want to do a strangle or a straddle for August, you think it's not going to go below 265, and you don't think the upside is 325 or 335. NASDAQ just dropped 30. S&P's dropped 3 here. So I think that's the way to play it. Like, for example, I made about $750,000 in 2 months, just trading and just literally just shorting the blank out of MSTR, right? MSTR was trading 350, 390, 400, 425, 450, and I would just sell calls. Boom, sell them. I didn't care if I went net short. Me and my friend Ronnie here in Florida, he's about 75 years old. I said, Ronnie, I'm putting them on. He goes, me too, Stevie. Let's put them on. Boom. And I just sold them. Sold the calls outright. I didn't care. Naked calls. I know that's dangerous because it's infinity, right? However, I didn't care. I thought the stock was a piece of garbage. Oh, my God almighty, 40 handles down. You got to fade the pop right into the negative MACD. I should have went 80. I went 85 like an idiot. So if you look at MSTR, where it is now, I mean, the stock is a piece of garbage, right? I mean, where is this thing? Okay, I mean, look at this thing. Up, 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 up. 94 gets kabooshed. Here's a bear flag. I mean, I don't know. Where's it now? 94.10, 93. I mean, it doesn't even do that. Just look at this stock. Look at this. Go back to a monthly. Look at this. I think it hit 500. Yeah, 543. I was selling the 590 calls. Look at this. 590s, 610s, going out a month or two. I didn't care, right? I didn't care. Where was this here? It was right around here, 24. Oh yeah, I thought it was, 2 years ago, right here. Yeah, that's right. It was last year, right here. This is it. Between April, what's it here? What's this month here? April, right here, and July. I made about almost $800,000, I believe, if my memory is correct, right around here. Just selling the calls out of this thing. How do you come up with those levels? Oh my God. How do I come up with the levels? That's experience, but I also teach that. So if you go back to the NASDAQ futures here, right? I'm looking at the pattern. We're in a buy disconnect, but right, the 15, the 30s are bullish. the negative MACD like this here. I saw the price pushing up on the 3-minute time frame into the negative MACDs right here. And I thought they were going to fail right there. Boom. And they got kabooshed. Look at this, down 50 handles. Oh, my God, kill me. All right. Okay, next. So anyway, so again, I think that trading options is very risky. Well, let me rephrase it. The whole world's risky. I mean, the minute you walk out the door, it's risky. I just think that people don't know how to trade options, especially these DTEs. I think the single stock futures is going to be a huge, monster on those 55 names. I think that it's going to really give people a lot more. I think a lot of people should be trading Bitcoin futures. Okay. I think a lot of people should be trading single stock futures on the July 27th when they come out. Oh my God almighty, 60 handles. And I think that in the money, I don't think people should trade. If you're trading deep in the money, I just see from my experience, the people who are successful with me in my group literally trade options based upon patterns. Okay. Like today, for example, in the 30-minute time frames. So the strategy today, if you look here, was when the 60-minute time frame reverses to sell on the Qs right here. You can see the MACD is negative here, blue or yellow. The ADX is rising. Monster selling pressure here north of 20, negative 20. The 30-minute time frame, look at this beautiful, right? Kabooshed. And then we got this beautiful bear flag overbought here into the negative MACD. This is a monster bear flag. And then what caused the drop was the 15-minute overbought right here. Look at this monster bear flag pushing up into the overbought into the negative MACD on the 30 and on the 60. And look at this. NASDAQ got absolutely kabooshed here. I believe the high was 740. And people are like, oh, no, they're going to 800. And I said, nope. Where am I here? It was right here. If I'm not mistaken, it was right here. Yeah, 738. And it's a pattern, so it's up to 8 bars. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bars, 486. Not bad, right? Not bad. Not bad. 250 points. Not bad, right? That's a pattern. That's when you can take advantage of options. If you hear me say this is a pattern versus a scalp, then that's what it's really about, right? Taking on the understanding of a pattern, okay? All right. All right, let's see if we get one more. If this NASDAQ gets down, I would say down to the 86 to 686 to 616, I look to buy them again. All right, here we go. Let's see if we get a caboose. This escape on the 150K. I just reached my buffer and everything from on. I can withdraw. You think I should go bigger buffer by taking a payout? I think not. I think you keep going and be consistent, and you take mini payouts and keep the buffer. That's what I would do. That makes sense? I would do that instead of taking one big buffer.
I think he's more asking, like, if you lose out.
No, I think he's saying he could take a buffer. Or he could take a payout now.
Yeah. But, like, if he takes it now, he doesn't have his full buffer. as in the full $2,000 drawdown? Should he like wait to take it and build up the account?
I think he takes mini payouts, like take a. I wonder if props will let us trade stock futures. I pitched that to MyFundedFutures, and I hope they do it. Okay, I hope they do it. I pitched it to them a while back, a couple of weeks ago, actually, and I hope they do it. Okay, SK Trading YouTube. Are you net bullish? On what? Stocks? Gold? What? True 668. Well, I'd love to meet you. Allison, how are you? P Long, hey Nathan, Nathaniel, Aldrich, how are you, brother? Let's see where they get down to 18. I'm gonna go 18. If they go down to the 88 to 18, I'd look to buy them here. 88 to 18. Just keep it tight. Look, I missed it again. I said 15. You passed your 50K, Money Master. Great job. Oh, they're gonna go. Great job. Single stock futures, the 27th, right? I believe. Look at them, up 20. Let's see here. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. It's, oh my God, ran 20. Oh, gonna run 30. Oh my God, 30 up. 30 up. Give me a break. Can't believe it. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I think it's better to take the powder if you're hold the type of person tilt and blow up. That's another way of looking at it. Okay, no problem. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. It's the nicest thing that anyone's ever done for me. All right, so let me just show you the pattern on gold really quickly. So when gold made the new low here, I wanted to show this to you. If you look at the 30-minute time frame and then the 60 was why I called the range on the gold. You can see that gold made a new low right here when we came in here, 43. I called the range 38.5 to 45.5. You can see two things. The new low, the MACD did not confirm the low. You got oversold into a positive MACD, not on the 30, but also on the 15. And this was a great long here. Okay. The only problem you're going to have here with gold is why I'm calling the short, because of the negative MACD on the 60s, and the 60s are getting overbought. Okay. So that's how you read a chart. Okay. Now let's back to the NASDAQ here. I come here for the singing. Oh, yeah. Skinnerd, what a concert last Friday. Place was packed. Had to be about 20,000 people in West Palm. Unbelievable. Will I be on the stream tomorrow? I could swear you said you had to go. Yeah, I'll be here. I'll be, oh my God, 30 up. I'll be on. I have to take Henny to the doctor, and then I'll come back, and then I think Ryan or Billy or Aaron will be taking over. So, all right. I was never a Rush fan. Look at this NASDAQ. You gotta be kidding me. I should have just left it at 20. Who was my favorite singer? Ronnie Van Zant. You crazy? I can't play it because I don't want to break any YouTube violations, but MyFundedFutures, thank you. That means a lot. Yes, MyFundedFutures is the best prop firm. Okay, jingle bells. All I know is I said it 3 times today. It was Christmas in July. And I'm telling you, boy, oh boy, was it ever. The kaboomins were flying today. Okay, fill the coolers. That was a great. That came out of a good friend. Well, I call him a friend. Everybody in my community I call friend, but a great guy. I've never seen Pink Floyd live. That's something I really monster coolers. So one day, guy lives in Missouri. He always invites me. Says, "Come for a weekend. We'll go on my boat. We'll have fun. We meet all my friends and everything." I don't like candles. Come on. I'm not getting into the candle thing. Okay. No professional trader with the years of experience looks at candles. I mean, you do what you want. I just, our gardens, how are you? And then, so he says, "Hey, Steve, I need one more trade. Then I'm going fishing." So I saw a stock I knew he was in. I said, I would just buy some. I would buy some right here. I think it's going to rally. And he bought some. It dropped about, I don't know, 8 to 12 cents, and then bink, boom, rallied 80, 90 cents. Good job, Jeffrey. I hit the goals on all 5 of my accounts today. Tonight, I really hit my goal on the one. Good job. Great job, Jeff. And next thing I know, he says, "I'm out of here. Thank you, SK. Thank you so much. I'm going to the deli. I'm going to go get ice, and I'm going to, get the boat ready." And I said, "So let's get something straight. You're leaving. You're going on your boat. You're going to get ice, and you're going to fill your coolers up, right?" He says, "Yeah, that last trade put me over the top." And I said, "Fill the coolers." And I'm telling you, the place went wild. We went completely crazy that day. I don't know. I just blurted it out. Fill the coolers. That means get the hell out of here. Go to your truck. Get the ice. Go on your boat. Go to the beach. Go to Home Depot. Who the hell cares? Go somewhere, right? And that's exactly how Fill the Coolers came about. My friend Jeff Kinsley out of the great state of Missouri. So that's how that story came about. Okay? And that's the truth. That's right. No, the 22nd to the 22nd, the 16th to the 22nd. What? Oh my God, what happened? Oh, new highs, S&Ps. Oh my God, that 19. Jeff, what's up, my brother? I texted you a bunch of times. Oh my God, I'm so glad you're here. Oh my God, Jeff, that was a great story, right? That was about what, 2 years ago, 3 years. I forgot. Oh my God, how many beers does a cooler hold? As many as it takes. I guess you're right. Oh, Jeff, I'm so happy to hear from you. I hope everything's going well, my brother. 3 to 4 years ago, yes. Wow, I can't believe he's even here. Wow, I texted him, "How you doing? How you doing?" I didn't hear back, so I just, I let it go. But oh wow, all right. Next, oh boy, yep. Would you short S&Ps? You could scalp shorts at 55, 77 here. They keep hitting this number like a brick. This negative MACDs here. Okay, so SK, I think it's so much harder with open, high, low, close bar chart because it's all green. I've seen them, but with red and green. Oh my God. So, okay, so do I have to really do this? Really? I mean, like, how the hell am I going to read that? I couldn't even read this. What the hell is this? Really? No, I have the t-shirt. Fill the coolers, COOLAS. I can't. Jeff, I'm so happy you're here. Oh, wow. Awesome. Look at this right there. Look at this. I can't read this. Are you bananas? What the hell is this? Oh my God. Next. Bye-bye. That's, you can't, are you crazy? All right, single color, whatever. How do you make it single color? I can't even imagine. Forget it. How the hell am I reading this? What the hell is this? I don't know. Imagine me telling Izzy Englander or some of the top guys I know that switch to candles. They'll look at me. I'm like, get out. Are you crazy? They'll say, Stevie, are you bananas? You can see them clearly? All right. Okay. I can't. I don't know what you're looking at. Mikey Jacques, you want to help me, Mikey Jacques? Please, Mikey. I can't take it. I can't take it. All right. For candles are for birthdays. Bear Trader, get in there. Oh, wow. I use red and green bars, not candles. Exactly. I said you could scalp it 55, well, 56 up to 62 here. Don't know why they're rallying here. I don't know any professional trader that I know, and I know some of the biggest traders in the world, that would ever look at a candle chart. I don't think Paul Tudor Jones looks at a candle chart. I don't think Steve Cohen looks at a candle chart. I don't think Izzy Englander. I don't think Tepper uses a candle chart. I don't know. I don't think those guys look at candles. Maybe I'm crazy. And now those guys they got quants with everything, and everything's all automated. But in the old days, I can't remember. And I sat next to a couple of them, and I don't remember any of them using a candle chart. Period. I am sight blinded to look at the bars. Okay, don't do it. Why do I think everything's so choppy? I don't think it's choppy. I think I'm trying to buy them with these 15s and 30s about to turn up here. I just 3 misses here. This one I got here. This one I missed a short. This one I missed a long by 3 points. So, always open to exploring. I think, I don't know. I think people have to change. And I mean, I look, I'm 44 years in the game. You think I'm going to change now? You're out of your mind. I can't. I need to focus. Every second matters to me. I'm not going to take the time to learn a candle and how to read it. The candle shows the info you're looking for, just like my bars. But see, here's the thing, though. I'm not looking for something. I'm looking at reading the pattern. I'm looking to see, okay, what I'm looking at the price. Okay, I don't want to see wicks and bars and open bars and color bars and this and that. My head will explode. Okay, I'll just run right down to Bellevue and commit myself. Okay. Why are so many famous indicators made by Japanese people? I don't know. I think a lot of great Americans built some great indicators as well. I don't want red and green. What do I have to have red and green for? I don't want to have red and green. Diego, if you're short, just look to cover below 54 here. If you sold, okay. I don't know. Can I just have it the way I want? If you guys want to customize it your way, if you want red and green, go red and green. You want candles, go candles. I have a prop firm, but it's on the shelf. Yes. I'm not bringing it out. I don't know. Can I leave longs into London? I want to go to sleep. Long Sing 620. I would probably sell them. There's always another trade, right? Go to sleep. All right. I would sell these here at 65.70 and I would go to sleep. Get your teddy bear and go night night. All right. Dead cat bounce. I'm with you, brother.
All right, it's time.
How many?
246.
246. Number 7. Number 7.
Jack Skeleton official.
Jack Skeleton official. Are you here? Jack Skeleton official. Mr. Stop Loss, anybody here?
Here, next.
Number number 63.
It is unknown 999.
Unknown
999. Yep.
Wow. Okay, unknown 999. Diego, you get that short?
Yep.
One more?
One more.
Number 119.
119. Yan 349. Yan 349.
In here? No, not here.
It's spelt Jahn, so it could be John, but I thought it was Yan.
Here?
I don't know. Jahn 349.
Going once.
Wait. Give it a second. Let's see. Well, that's what my friend says it. How he pronounces his name like that.
Next.
Yeah, I guess so. I mean,
Number 201.
colorful craft vibes.
Colorful craft vibes. D-Hall text me 914-500-7484. They're going to get cabooshed here. DL, tell me you got short, DL. I mean, Diego. D-Hall text me 914-500-7484.
Here. All right. Back to you.
Thank you. All right. They just got cabooshed 40 handles here. Again. Okay. Thank you, Marcos. Thank you. Miss Trend Surfer, colorful craft vibes. Congrats to the winners. All right. Wow, 50 down. Diego, what a drop on the NASDAQ. Would I be able to trade without indicators? No. Just price action? No. No. I'm not being honest. No. Let's see if we get one more. Oh, come on, this gold's got to roll over here. Diego, you didn't get that short? Oh, wow. If we buy your indicators, how will we understand how to use them? You have to learn from me. I teach it, and being part of my community and the videos, the courses, and being part of the live stream. Boom. Need 5-minute candle to close above 680, and I'm going long up to 800. Okay. I wish you all the best. Dirty Harry, if you need any help, just text me 914-500-7484. Okay? You think this is choppy? This is choppy. There's nothing clear here. You know, the interesting thing, even with today, if what really kept the market from getting absolutely kaboosh was the fact that Micron and SanDisk were still bullish on the 15, 30, and 60-minute time frame. So I think that really kept the market in check here. And if you look at the NASDAQ here, the 3-minute time frame, all right, NASDAQ, S&Ps just ran about 27 again. Hey. You can see the S&Ps. I just saw it, but I wasn't focusing on it. The S&Ps had a double blue buy, and they got down to 48.5 and just ran 5. So that's why the NASDAQ just ran about 30. All right, let's see if this gold drops between the, I would say, 48.5 and 51.5 range, I would cover shorts. Yes, sir. Double blues. Where's the NASDAQ here? Let's go back to the 2-minute time frame. Nope, not even the 1 minute. Let's see the 1. Boom. All right. This 30-minute time frame on the NASDAQ, I'm telling you, if this thing starts turning up, this bull flag, they could probably get about 740. Snooze, you lose. I think if the 30-minute time frames turn up, I'm a buyer here, but below 30 or 40, see, they're going up. I don't want to be short. Gold, I think, could be a short here off the 60-minute time frame. Oh my God, S&P just ran 7. Wow, off that 3-minute. Nasdaq doesn't know what it wants to do. Did it hit 80 again? Yep, 80. That's 3 times it hit 80. 4th time's going to go right through it. So far, I believe 3 winners were 3 winners. Oh God, come on with 81. Oil getting kabooshed. Let me see. Let me see if oil's getting kabooshed. Oh my God, we won the war. Oh, it's gonna get killed. Anybody still trading oil? This oil is a short. Anybody trade oil here at all? You caught the long. Oh wow! I took my eye off it for a second. It got down to right here, 27 again. Jeez, it's going to run 60 handles up. But oh, gold! This guy cover the shorts on the gold. Oh my God, Jeffrey, you short gold? Oh my God! Oh my God, where's the bear? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What are you, crazy? Oh my God, Jennifer, get in there. Oh God. Oh, look at this gold. Nasdaq. If the if the Nasdaq gets up to the scalp short 85 to 15 if you want. Oh my God. Wow. Nasdaq again, 87, just dropped 17. Anybody short the gold there? That was a monster short. Oh my God, look at this Nasdaq. Both, Brandon. Both. Aaron, they're saying they can't hear the bear. Aaron, they're saying they can't hear the bear. Wow. Anybody get short the Nasdaq up here? You heard the bear? Oh my God. Look at that gold. Holy mackerel. Oh, I did tell him. I told Aaron. Where's the bear? I just gave it to him. We love the bear. You got the short. Nasdaq is a buy in at 1530. Yeah, I'm just looking for another push down here. I don't want to buy 56s. I was looking to buy 30s and 25s and 35s here. Wow, what an unbelievable. I gave the bear. Oh my God. They're running 30 out of clip here. There you go. Are you long?
No.
You short gold? Nasdaq's going to go through 700.
I'm flat.
Okay. I want to short them up here. I wanted to buy them so bad down there. Damn it.
Just above 700 range.
I'm not going to short them yet. Okay. Oh, Mikey could be. Nasdaq just dropped 10. Oh man. Oh man, they're moving everywhere. 99. Gold's a short again. I just see one more push down here on the 5. I don't know if we're going to have enough time. I tried 3 times to buy it here on the NASDAQ. 3 times. Here, boom. Here, boom. I think we got one of them. I think it was this one here. Yep, this one here. Well, I think it's gonna be very, very. What's DCA?
Dollar cost average.
Dollar cost average?
Mm-hmm.
It's because I'm calling a range, and basically you're like, let's see here, for example, let's say I said look to short NASDAQ here, 695 up to 730, right? You have to determine how many contracts you want to short within that range if you want to even take the trade. So you may go 700, 710, 720, 730, okay? All right. So scaling in, and then you're scaling in with, and you're increasing your amount each and every time. Okay. Dollar cost averaging, I think, is more or less, if I'm not mistaken, taking the same amount of shares or dollar each time you enter. So that's like doing 1, 1, 1, 1. That to me doesn't work. Right. Okay. That to me doesn't work. Look at this. 3 times I wanted to buy this. And then this here, 56. And Jesus. 700. Boom. NASDAQ. Oh, no, that's averaging down. I had no stop in place. When you're scaling in, you have to always have a stop in place. Adding to losing positions. So if I have a range in AMD, 47 to 50, I may go 46, 47, 80, 48, 80, 49, 80, If you want to take a scalp short only, S&Ps 57 to 63, NASDAQ, it goes, if you want scalp short only 700 up to 735.40 on the NASDAQ. 45, okay. Okay, Bank of Japan, USD update, Japan core, June core inflation. All right, let's cancel the short on the NASDAQ up there. I'm still looking for buys if they pull in. All right, NASDAQ just dropped. Oh, my God, they just got killed. Oh, I was looking for a short. Jesus, what are you missing here? Come on, you're missing all these trades. All right, down 30. I want to see if the fives can get oversold and then really look to buy them. I canceled the short of 700. Diego, I would cancel the S&P short. Oh, my God, what a bear flag. Long the world. I don't know about that. Remember, the 10-year bonds at 4.7%. Let's see what they are. NASDAQ down 30. See what a 10-year is here. All right. It's going to be a problem for the market.
All right. Give me three more.
You're long to 30,000. Oh my God. Yeah. Okay. Number 121.
Glitch, Sith Rage.
Never heard of them.
By the way, everybody, Bear Trader 64 is now a mod. He will be
What happened?
working with me starting next week.
What happened? I can't hear you.
I'm talking to the community.
I couldn't hear what you said.
I'm telling them that Bear Trader is now a mod.
Oh, he's working with you?
Yes.
Oh, awesome. I didn't know that.
Well,
Let's go, Bear Trader.
We just did it today.
Bear Trader, get in there.
Did this guy show up? Glitch, whatever his name is. I don't see him. Anybody see him?
Bear Trader, congratulations.
Next.
Number 167.
J Boogie, 1000.
J Boogie.
All right, next. He's here.
Oh, he's here. Okay. Wow. NASDAQ just dropped 40. How many is that? One more or two more? I forgot.
Two more.
Let's go number 41.
The estimated profit.
Oh my God, Jeffrey. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. If the NASDAQ gets down to the 10 to 50 range, I'd look to buy it. NASDAQ 10 to 50. Oh my God, Jeffrey, really? The estimated profit? Really?
All right, he's here.
NASDAQ, I said I'd buy 10 to 50. He's got to be here.
Yeah, he's here. Next.
Oh, okay. All right.
Next.
Oh. Number 185.
Adam R. Pulse.
Adam R. What? Oh my God.
Pulse.
Look at this. I keep missing everything tonight. Look at this. 54. Oh my God almighty. Look at them rally. I can't take it. Look at this. 30 points.
Here. Back to you.
Okay, thank you. Well, congratulations on Bear Trader. Again, I look to buy him here. I look to go 15 to 55. Try to scalp the long. Oh my God, Bear Trader, congratulations. They get down here. Seems like I'm missing everything by penny, like, right? Oh my God almighty. What the heck? Estimated profit, Jeffrey. Go get him. You got to be kidding me. Come on. I missed this here by 4. I missed this here by 2. You got to be kidding me. You got to be kidding me. All right, I cancel the buy range here. Jesus Christ. Boom. I look to buy the NASDAQ here. Let's just throw it in here. Anywhere between the 05 and 45. Let's see if it gets a caboose in here. These 15s missed the 700. I think there's like five I missed here. There's the stopping on both sides. I'm missing things by like minutes, or it's like 1 or 2, 3 bars. Let's see if this that 700 was a great short. Look at this, 49. I'm 45. Can't win tonight. What's a mod? Trading market on closes. I've been doing that my whole life. It's hard. Oh man, come on. It depends. I mean, like today they were small to buy, then they were big for sale, and then, oh my God, this is crazy. What's the market on close? Are you doing anything today? I'm missing everything by penny, like, right?
I front ran a few points ahead, just on a bigger account.
I think I had 7 of them. And how are you doing?
I'm good. I'm up 670, but yeah, I'd say just not getting deep into the range.
Yeah, no, I'm just saying. All right, let's see if we get. No, I know it happens. Like, you know, Yeah, market on close. I'd raise it, go 10 to 50 on the NAS. I hate to do that. I think, I don't know, these fives still can get down there. I'm going to stick to 0545. Just the range I'm looking to see if they get into. So now I'm going to raise it. Go 610 to 650 to go along. These 30-minute time frames are going to turn up. I don't know if they're going to run. Just I kept on saying 55, then 52. Kept missing it. It's a range, okay? A range I'm looking to buy. Between that's not true. You have to learn how to scale into a trade. I mean, what are you doing? Buying 30 contracts in one price? You can't trade. How, Miss Pickney, how do you trade the market then? I'm just curious because, like, if you have to be able to, you got to learn how to scale into a trade. If you're saying that if I call a range 05 to 45, you're going to blow an account. I mean, I don't know. I got people getting monster payouts. So I'm just trying to understand how that you would blow an account. I don't know if she scales. Are you doing the big ones? If you do two big ones, then you got to go wide every 20, 30 points then, I guess. I mean, I don't know. I would trade micros. People need to understand that even the biggest traders in the world just to go buy 250,000 Qs at one price. Okay, when I was working with some of the big guys, we buy like 25, 30, 50 here. We go another, 50 to another 50 here, maybe another 75 here. That's 100, another 75 here, and we build a position. You're scaling into a trade, right? You're scaling in. No, and I don't really care. Baba trading, stocks were created to raise capital for companies, and they issued shares. Like Union Pacific wanted to build a railroad and this and that, right? Well, thank you. Maybe you could tell Miss K. Is that Miss K or Miss Pickney? Because that's what's really going to be super effective, right? Start with 1 micro. Look at them. We're right to 45 now. So I hate chasing like that. 5's about to get oversold. What a short up there, 80 to even. Why do you have a bullish bias? Well, because I'm looking at the 30-minute time frames. I'm looking at the 15-minute time frames. The MACDs are positive, and I scale out of longs here above 50 up to 60 range. Where they get up there, it just ticked 53. I turn my eyes. Because I'm looking at the pattern. There you go. Finally. Okay, push right up. I'd be scaling out of longs up here. And gold's got a bear flag. Let's see. There goes the NASDAQ. Okay. Oh, go get them. Oh, my God. What a kaboom. That's why I'm bullish. Goes bearish on the 30, 15, 30, and 60-minute time frame. What a rally. Oh, my God. You got to be kidding me. Oh, my God. Wow. Oh, my God. What a rip. Kaboomy. Oh, no, it's kaboom. There you go. Ryan. Kaboom. Oh, my God. You make it harder than it has to be. And I can't tell you why. What constitutes a kaboom? I would say anything north of about 50 points. Right? Apple, I spoke to your mother. I didn't know. Good job. 93. I think they're short. Thank you, Angel. All right. Look at us, baby. Oh my God, I was a short at 90. Oh my God. Just dropped 30. This NASDAQ's crazy tonight. Wow, what a drop. All right, gold's going to get cabooshed here. Should have put them out there again. That's 3 shorts in a row. I was thinking 95 to even again. Damn, it just dropped 30. Jesus. This is a frustrating night. Oh my God, 40 down. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. 41.50 and then 40. All right. If the NASDAQ gets down to the 0545, I would take another long. Yes. What happened? Where did it get down to?
50.
Yeah. I go 10 to 50 range. I don't want to blow it. I mean, this is crazy. I'm missing everything like by pennies. Let's see if we get. I'm finally dropping. Can't believe it. I cannot believe I missed that short up there again. What's Intel doing? Anybody know what Intel's doing right now? Oil short. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. Oil. That's a 1 minute buy. I like the 5 on oil. Let's see here. Oil. 30, 38. Oil's been active tonight. If you're scaling, doesn't that help you in not missing trades? Well, you want to scale in properly. You just don't want to scale. Thank you for Josh. Hey, baby, go. Where have you been? I don't know. I mean, I think you gotta scale in properly. I just told you bear flag on gold just dropped 3. NASDAQ, look to exit 55 up to 70 if you get up there. Let me put the NASDAQ back in here. Intel 103, thank you, Mikey. Thank you, Mikey Jacques. Let's see here. All right, finally. See? Just got down to 47 on the NASDAQ. Gotta take the positions here. 47. These 5s are going to turn up. Whoa, there you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Oh, my God. There you go. 40 up. Thank God. 40 up. There you go. Get in there, Ravlin. Oh. It doesn't matter. S&P's new highs. Oh, boy. Don't worry. Cover! Exit! Let's go. All right, gold just got caboose. Nice. Anyway, nice. That was nice. Pierre Joseph. There you go. Pretty nice with the lights off.
Yeah, I know. I do like in here. If you had a white chart background, that would be brutal.
If what?
If you had a white chart background, the
Oh,
background is white. It's so bright.
it's dead here now. Oof.
Yeah.
All right, pretty quiet now. That's why I was looking at all these pullbacks are all based upon this 30-minute time frame right here. See this? All these 30-minute time frames. I think I got this one here. No, this, yeah, I got this one here. No, this one I got. This one I missed by 2. This one here, I was 15. And then this one here, I was 20, missed 25, I think, missed by 2. This one here got, okay, so, no, this one here I got. It got down, yeah, it got down, we were 05 to 45, right? That was a good one. So about 2 or 3 missed on the long, and then 2 or 3 missed on the short, but still pretty good. All right.
Just realized the door's open.
Yeah, you got to close that.
I haven't gone out yet.
Really quiet here now. Just keeps dropping here. I don't know. It just seems like this is a weird night. The NASDAQ it's just chopping around between a 60, 70 point range. Just waiting. I'd like to see gold. I think gold's going to 3,800. That's what I think. And I think then excuse me, you back up the truck. Thank you. You back up the truck. Yep. Johnny Fonz, great trade today on Raytheon. Where's Raytheon? Excuse me. RTX, right? Raytheon. Oh, Johnny, who kicked it out at 211? Oh my God, Johnny Fonz, great job. Titan Ruiz. Oh my God, they're getting kabooshed again. Every rally was a short. All right, if this NASDAQ, this NASDAQ can get down to the, I think they're going to get hit. 95 to 35. 595 to 635. I look to buy it. It doesn't matter. Johnny Fonts, that was great teamwork, Johnny Fonts, right? No, not the 29th. The 9th through the 15th, you told me. I texted it to you. Luke, 9th through the 15th. Oh, my God, 45. Oh, I would cancel it now. Jesus. No. I said, I'd cancel it now. I'm missing, Let's see if we get one more. Boy, oh boy, what happened? Just I know this is look at this range in the NASDAQ, right? It's been like a 70-point range. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Oh, wow, look at the gold rally. How much you play? 700?
821.
There you go. You front me a couple of things. I'm
Yeah,
pissed.
I did. I don't know.
Oh, it's fine. I'm only kidding. All right. If the NASDAQ, let's see if we get one more push down here. Luke, please check your phone. Luke. Oh, it don't make sense. What happened? I agree. It's just, well, what happened to gold here? Okay. Oil's dropping. Don't let me forget. We have to pick up. I keep forgetting we got to pick them up. If anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me to my cell phone, 914-500-7484. Please text me your full name and email, and I'll send them out, and you can go live every Monday through Friday from 8:30 to 4 and listen. I don't know. Who knows? I'm exhausted. My goodness gracious. It's dead. Very quiet. All right. All right. Great job. $1,700. Good job tonight. Let's see if we get a drop here. I still think they're going to drop. If they get down to the 95 to 35 range, I look to buy them. 35, right? Let me see oil. Let me see oil. I think if this oil gets up to the 9160 on the oil, it hit 35? No. 9 here now 35. 9160 up to 9210. I looked at scale short some more. Oh my God, gold just dropped 5 on that bear flag. All right, 9160 on the oil. Again, Nasdaq.
All right, Steven, give me the last three.
Last three?
Yeah, last three
All right,
numbers.
let's do number 33.
Okay, 33? Okay, hold on one second. Damn, this guy again. Plunky Poo.
Plunky Poo? Come on. Plunky Poo?
Yeah. There he is. All right, next.
Number Scale out of longs here, 40 up to 55 on the NASDAQ. 230.
230. Jason King, XX fades. Sorry. Jason King, XX fades.
Anthony, have a good night, Anthony.
Yep. Next.
He's here?
Yeah, it's right there.
Last but not least, one of my favorite numbers, number 17.
Dyra Balzan.
What?
I can't pronounce this. There it is. If they're here, they're here.
He's here already?
I said if.
Oh. What's the name?
Yep. They're there.
Is that it?
That's it.
Oh, wow. Congratulations, everybody. That was 10.
All right.
Again, thank you to MyFundedFutures. Phenomenal. Great firm. My friend got a pass the eval, and he texted me. He goes, "Can you believe I got a payout already the minute I submitted it?" Is that amazing? That's what I'm talking about. Okay? Unbelievable. Great job, MyFundedFutures. Again, you guys are so lucky. Great firm. Okay? You got Aaron, Luke, Aaron. You got Matt, the owner. Great people, and all the great people who work behind the scenes. Again, I'll see you guys on Monday. So it's a whole new week. Man, this year is flying. 6 months into the year already. Wow. Oh. All right. 7 minutes to go here. And please watch my podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly, on my SK Trading YouTube every night, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Come on, NASDAQ. Give me 50. Oh, there. I was just saying. Are you long?
Yeah.
Okay, there's 50. I would cut it. It's late. You know what I'm saying? Oil just dropped a nickel. It's not going to do much. This I haven't seen in a while. I haven't from 8 o'clock. The NASDAQ has been what? The low was 15 3/4. The high was 700. That's crazy. All this one. Let's see. Got the short. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, back and forth. Right. Pretty tight range. I haven't seen that, Bushido. Right. All right, NASDAQ pushing up. See, that's why I said 50, right?
I covered
All right, good. Got to be up over 900, right?
1,200.
1,200 on the big account?
Yeah.
Did you buy the other ones I told you about? Don't mention the name of the firm. You didn't do it.
No.
Okay.
I read something I wasn't a fan
It's not worth it.
of. I just
Oh, talk in the car.
yeah, I'll say I think yours is better.
All right. If the Nasdaq gets down to the, here we go, I'm gonna break the range, 85 to 25, I would take one more long here. Wow, that goal was a great short at 52.5. All right, boom. Let's see if the Nasdaq's really gonna get cabooshed here. But again, you're looking at the 30-minute time. This is the crude. Oh, crude just dropped about 14. Should have covered down there. That's right, David, always. All right, look, new lows now. Oh my God, gold. All right, scale out of any longs up here between the 20 and 30 range. Gets up there. Thank you, Brave Day, Jubilee next. All right, got a couple of minutes left. Come on, give me a 20 here. Yeah, 20. Gets up to the 20, 30 range. I'll be kicking them out. New lows there. Come on, let's go. Give me one more push for the night. Give me one more push for the night after the new lows. Here we go. 20 to 30, I'll be scaling out of longs. 23. Got to have your orders out there. Thank you, EM, old boy. How are you? Congratulations to all the winners tonight. Invincible, have a good night. Pure Mock, reading the numbers. Plunky Poo, unbelievable. Plunky Poo's on fire. I think he won 3 in the last 2 weeks. Jennifer, thank you. Oil's dropping. Bryce, you shorted? Pierre Joseph, good job, brother. Pierre. And what a great night. To hear from a voice from the past, a really great guy, Jeffrey. So hope to hear from him this weekend. All right, everybody. 10 o'clock. Hey, whoa, Aaron. Have a great night, everybody. Thank you for joining me tonight. Again, if anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me your full name and email to my cell phone, 914-500-7484. Please watch my podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly on my SK Trading YouTube. Have a great night, everybody. Have a great day tomorrow. I think it's going to be a lot of volatility, especially with Intel tomorrow in the chip stocks and the semis. So have a great night. Remember, be disciplined and be consistent. Have a great night. God bless you. God bless our troops. And God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle moves, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunts, snipers in the dark. Stop loss graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.